Amazfit Helio Strap, new fitness tracker officially unveiled with innovative features. Amazfit has officially introduced the Helio Strap, a unique fitness tracker that blends style and advanced health monitoring. Unlike conventional fitness bands or smartwatches, the Helio Strap features a cleverly hidden display beneath its fabric strap, offering users a subtle yet powerful wearable device. Design display. The standout design element of the Helio Strap is its hidden AMOLED display with a crisp 460x460 pixel resolution, concealed beneath a fabric band. This innovative approach means the strap looks like a stylish fitness band rather than a gadget, making it ideal for users who prefer minimalistic wearables. The strap is also lightweight and comfortable for all-day use. Cutting-edge health metrics. BioCharge energy monitoring. The Helio Strap introduces a new health metric called BioCharge, which tracks your body's energy levels in real time. This helps users understand their overall vitality and readiness to perform physical activities or need for rest, similar to Garmin's body battery. Heart rate and stress monitoring. Continuous heart rate tracking combined with stress level detection allows users to keep tabs on their cardiovascular health and mental well-being. Sleep tracking. Advanced sleep analysis records your sleep stages, quality, and duration, giving insights for better rest and recovery. All-day activity tracking. Beyond basic steps and calories, the Helio Strap also tracks specific workouts with automatic detection for strength training and other activities. HYROX Edition for elite athletes. Amazfit has partnered with HYROX, a global fitness race organization, to create a special edition of the Helio Strap tailored for competitive athletes. This HYROX Edition includes specialized training modes, race-specific tracking, and enhanced durability for intense workouts. Operating system and ecosystem. Powered by ZeppOS 4.5, the Helio Strap offers a smooth user experience, quick response times, and seamless integration with Amazfit's ecosystem, including the Zepp app for detailed health reports and personalized coaching. Battery and connectivity. While specific battery life details are yet to be fully disclosed, Amazfit promises long-lasting use typical of their fitness trackers. The device also supports Bluetooth connectivity for syncing data with smartphones. Expected availability and pricing. The Helio Strap is expected to hit the market soon, though Amazfit has yet to reveal official pricing and launch dates. Given its unique design and advanced features, it is anticipated to be competitively priced within the mid-range fitness tracker segment.